Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is India's military exercise. Our Indian Armed Force tinta branch ase Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. Aro ta ase hetu ase Indian Coast Guard. So আজি ভিডিওটোত মই Indian military exerciseৰ বিষয়ে ডিসকাস কৰিম after the naval exercise আৰু armed force exerciseৰ বিষয়ে ডিসকাস কৰিম. So military exercise বোৰৰ বিষয়ে ডিসকাস কৰাৰ আগতে military exercise কি হয় সেই বিষয়ে আমি এটা brief introduction এটা লৈ লওঁ. Okay? So without any further ado, let's get started. Military exercise international relations and cooperation maintain কৰাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত এটা important role play কৰে. Military exercise war game বুলিও জনা যায় বা war game বুলিও কোৱা হয়. Military exercise armed forceৰ যেটো performance সেই performance to test কৰা হয় without engaging in the battlefield. Actual that battle নহয় বা war নহয় কিন্তু তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ যেতিয়া situation যদি আহে বা war type like situation এটা আহে তেনেকুৱা সিচুৱেশ্যনত হেনেকুৱা সিচুৱেশ্যন এটা কমবেট কৰিবলৈ কি ষ্ট্ৰেটেজিজ এডপ্ট কৰিব লাগে হেবিলাক এক্সাৰসাইজ কৰা হয় বা আৰ্ম ফৰ্চৰ পাৰফৰমেন্স কিনি তাত টেষ্ট কৰা হয় বা মিলিটাৰী যিবিলাক ৰিসোৰ্সেস আছে সেই ৰিসোৰ্স বিলাক ট্ৰেইনিংত ইউজ কৰা হয় বা সেই ৰিসোৰ্স বিলাকৰ কুইকনেস টেষ্ট কৰা হয় বা ৰিয়েল টাইম কেপাবিলিটিজ বোৰ টেষ্ট কৰা হয় তাকে কোৱা হয় মিলিটাৰী এক্সাৰসাইজ. A military exercise or war game is a technique of using military resources in training or performing drills of military operations, testing the quickness and real-time capabilities of warfare, and adopting strategies without undergoing actual combat. The military exercise is a measure to test the performance of the armed forces without engaging in the battlefield. That means ki battlefield engage nohaka armed force performance to test kora hai ba resources bilak test kora hai. That is called the military exercise. Military exercise can be segregated into three categories. Tinta category bhokabo pare. Domestic exercise যেটো আমি within country আমাৰ countryতে হয়. Bilateral exercise দুখন country থাকে. Multilateral exercise দুখন বা তাত দুখনতকৈ বেছি country থাকে তাক কোৱা হয় multilateral exercise. So domestic exercise বোৰ যদিও ইমান important নহয় bilateral বা multilateral খিনি important তথাপিতো নামবোৰ জানি থোৱাটো ভাল. Gandhip Vijay. This exercise was based on central role of carrying out offensive operations through joint air land battle in network centric environment employing modern intelligence surveillance reconnaissance concepts and equipment. Pachim Leher to hoise the tri-service maritime exercise. Your main objective to hoise Indian Navy, Indian Army, Indian Air Force or Indian Coast Guard or মাজত interoperability এটা build কৰা. It's a tri-service maritime exercise. Bayu Shakti, it was a firepower demonstration. Bijay Prahar, এটা আছে Vajra Prahar, that is bilateral. It was a Bijay Prahar. Bijay Prahar to হৈছে আমাৰ domestic, so confused নহব. Bijay Prahar to হৈছে আমাৰ domestic আৰু Vajra Prahar to হৈছে bilateral exercise. It aimed to orchestrate wide spectrum of threats including nuclear, chemical or biological attack with which are planned to be tackled through high tempo joint air and land operations. So ekhini asil domestic exercises. Now I will discuss the bilateral exercises. First I will discuss Sampriti. Sampriti exercise to hoise India and Bangladeshor joint military exercise. Sampriti exercise total 9 editions hoise etialeke. Latest যেটো হৈছে হেতু হৈছে Sampriti 9 start হৈছিলে 2020 February 3rd পৰা February 16 লৈকে মেঘালয়ৰ উমৰৈত. So যেতিয়া এক্সাৰসাইজ বিলাকৰ বিষয়ে পঢ়িব bilateral এক্সাৰসাইজ বিলাকৰ বিষয়ে তো latest edition to কোনখন কান্ট্ৰিত হৈছে বা কোট হৈছে আৰু এই bilateral এক্সাৰসাইজ বিলাকৰ এডিশনছ বোৰ alter হয়. So এইবাৰ ইন্ডিয়াত হৈছে next বাংলাদেশত হ'ব. So Sampriti 9 ৰ latest edition হেতু হৈছে মেঘালয়ৰ উমৰৈত. Its aim is to enhance military cooperation between two countries in the wake of Indo-Bangladesh defense cooperation. ইয়াত Sampriti ক্ষেত্ৰত আৰু এটা মনত ৰাখিব যে Sampriti 1 আছিল 2009 ত হৈছিল হেতু হৈছিল আসামত গটিকে এটো মনত ৰাখিব. Mitra Shakti to was India or Sri Lanka joint military exercise. It also called the India-Sri Lanka joint training exercise. It's an annual exercise as a part of the Indian diplomacy and interaction with Sri Lanka. A exercise to main aim to promote defense cooperation, build positive relations between Indian and Sri Lankan armies. আৰু মিত্ৰ শক্তি 8টো হৈছে লেটেষ্ট এডিশ্যন, এইটো হৈছিলে ক'ত পুনেত 2019 আৰু যিবিলাক বাইলেটাৰ ৰিলেশ্যন, সেই বাইলেটাৰ ৰিলেশ্যনবিলাকৰ এইমে হৈছে যে দুখন কাণ্ট্ৰিৰ মিলিটাৰীবিলাক বা ডিফেন্সৰ মাজত কি এটা কোঅপাৰেশ্যন বিল্ড কৰা, অ'কে, আৰু যেন এখন কাণ্ট্ৰি আন এখন কাণ্ট্ৰি তেওঁলোকৰ এক্সপেৰিয়েঞ্চবোৰ শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব পাৰে, ষ্ট্ৰেটেজিজবোৰ শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব পাৰে। নেক্সট ইজ মৈত্ৰী এক্সাৰচাইজ। মৈত্ৰী এক্সাৰচাইজটো হৈছে ইণ্ডিয়া আৰু থাইলেণ্ডৰ জইণ্ট মিলিটাৰী এক্সাৰচাইজ। This exercise aims to prepare the armies for the counter-terrorism operations as both the countries face security challenges in terms of terrorism. Latest edition to hoisile Meghalaya Umrod hoisile, okay, in 2019. Aru dukhon country re 50 soldiers that join korisile. The aim of the exercise was to share each other experience in counter-terrorism operations that have been held in the past. Hand-in-hand exercise, India and China joint military exercise. Aim was practicing joint planning, conducting exercise meant to counter terrorism, hold training in semi-urban terrains. Recent edition hand-in-hand exercise, hetu hoisile Meghalaya Umrod 7 to 20 December pora. Vajra Prahar. Vajra Prahar was India and US special force joint military exercise. Its aim is to enhancing interoperability between the two forces, mutually exchanging tactics between the two forces, sharing the best military practices between the two forces, by developing joint strategies, by conducting operations in a counter-insurgency and counter-terrorism environment. Our Vajra Prahar latest edition, hetu hoise Vajra Prahar 11. Hetu hoisile Baklo, Himachalor Baklot, March 2021. Youth Abhyas to India and US joint military exercise. Youth Abhyas is called as one of the largest joint running military training and defense cooperation endeavors between India and US. So India and US it was the largest joint running military training and defense cooperation. Okay, exercise or joriote it's aim to mobilize cooperation in defense and so as to meet the unforeseen security contingency and of the future across the globe. 16th edition of Youth Abhyas, 16th edition latest edition hoy, hetu hoisile Rajasthanot hoisile etu bosorore February 8 opra February 21 aloke, aru India aru US bilateral relation to bhalke site hobo important hoy ba Trumpor homot kenekwa asile relation to, okay, so Bidener homot kenekwa hobo, so India US bilateral relation to important for this year. Garuda Shakti exercise. Garuda Shakti exercise hoitu hoise India and Indonesia joint exercise. Start hoise 2012. Okay. Our latest edition to hoisile 6th Garuda Shakti exercise 2018 hoisile Indonesia Bandungot. Shakti exercise to it's a biennial exercise that takes place between India and French armies. Start hoisile 2011. Okay, its aim is to enhance the defense understanding, promotion of cooperation between the troops of the armies, improvement and sustainability of interoperability between the Indian and French armies. Shakti exercise, Rudra Shakti exercise important hoy to mon rakhibo Rudra helicopter use kora hoisile, and it is the weaponized version of the advanced light helicopter group produced indigenously by India. So it is important hoy mon rakhibo je Rudra helicopter kon Shakti exercise use kora hoisile. Shakti exercise to hoise India or France, it's a biennial exercise. Okay, start hoisile 2011 or Rudra second helicopter hoise hetu hoise weaponized version hoy helicopter towards to India indigenously produced kora hoise. Shakti exerciser latest edition to hoisile Rajasthan 2019 or Shakti exercise duta phase hoisile. Okay, first phase combat hoisile combat conditioning and tactical training, or second phase test of the training practices where the stage is called the validation stage. Dharma Guardian. So Dharma Guardian is an Indo-Japan joint military exercise. Start hoisile 2018. And it latest edition Dharma Guardian hetu hoisile Indian between the Indian and Japanese armies in October 2019 Mizoram or Wellington. Okay. First edition of the Dharma Guardian exercise was held in 2018 at Counter-Insurgency Warfare School, Wadington, Mizoram. So first edition to Mizoram hoisile aru jitu latest edition hetu Mizoram Wadington hoisile. Surya Kiran to hoise India aru Nepalor bilateral joint military exercise. Surya Kiran to annually hoy aru biannually hoy. 2011 start hoisile aru latest edition Surya Kiran 14th hetu hoisile December 2019 Nomadic elephant exercise to hoise India aru Mongolia joint exercise. The aim of the nomadic elephant exercise is to train the army troops in counter-terrorism, counter-insurgency operations under United Nations mandate. 14th edition asile nomadic elephant exerciser hetu hoise 2019. This is the latest edition. Okay, hetu hoisile Himachal Pradeshor Baklo cantonment. Khanjar exercise important in India aru Kyrgyzstan major etu Khanjar exercise to. It's an exercise between special forces of India and Kyrgyzstan. 5th edition to hoise Khanjar hoisile Mizoramor Wellington 16th March. Probal Dostik India aru Kazakhstan joint military exercise. So monot rakhibo Khanjar to Indian Kyrgyzstan aru Probal Dostik to hoise Indian Kazakhstan. The joint exercise is aimed at enhancing the military ties between the two countries and achieving interoperability within the two armies. Second edition to hoisile Himachal Pradesh to latest edition. All Naga 3 India aru Omanor joint exercise. First conduct kora hoisile 2015 Third edition to latest edition hetu 2019 hoisile. He latest edition to hoisile at Jabal Al Akhtar training camp Oman. Equivalent to hoise India aru Maldives joint military exercise. Equivalent a word to hoise Maldivian language. Tar meaning hol French. So ahibo pare je India aru Maldives jitu joint exercise hetu naam ki equivalent aru equivalent or meaning to ki equivalent to Maldivian language or meaning to hoise French. It focuses on enhancing interoperability between the two forces for carrying out counterinsurgency and counterterrorism operations in a semi-urban environment under the United Nations mandate. 10th edition of the joint military exercise equivalent between Indian Army and the Maldives National Defence Force is held from 7 to 20th October 2019 in Pune, Maharashtra. Bolt Kurukshetra, this is also important. India or Singapore joint military exercise hoy 12th to edition hoy Bolt Kurukshetra hetu hoisile hetut apun Bebina military station ot hoisile. Lemiti India aru Seychelles joint military exercise hoy. India and Seychelles have been conducting these joint exercises since 2001 with the aim of enhancing military cooperation interoperability between the armies of the two countries. So igeta iman important no hoy judio lemiti to monot rakhibo tathapito. So Seychelles majot news to asile exercise Ajaya Warrior. Exercise Ajaya Warrior to hoise India aru United Kingdom joint military exercise. 5th edition of joint military exercise Ajaya Warrior 2020 was conducted at Salisbury Place, United Kingdom from 13 to 26 February 2020. So 5th to latest edition hetu hoise Salisbury Place, United Kingdom. The aim of the exercise is to conduct company level joint training with emphasis on counter-terrorist operation in urban and semi-urban areas. Aru a Ajaya Warrior exercise to khub important hoy. It's an important exercise in terms of security challenge faced by both the nations in the realm of changing facet of global terrorism. So ekhini asile Indian military exercise. Next video to moi multilateral exercise kini bikhoy discuss korim. After that naval exercise aru air force exercise kini bikhoy discuss korim. With that I take your leave. Thank you.